Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to put line in Word for resume. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to click on this drop down arrow next to borders. From here, you're going to click on borders and shading. Now you want to click on box. Then you can choose a style that you want. It is up to you. I'm just going to pick the default one. After that, you can go ahead and change the color as well if you wanted to. I'll just leave it as black. Then you can also change the width of the line, how thick you want it to be. I'll just pick this one right here. Now all you have to do is disable these three right here. After that, hit OK. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.